What's up guys, my name is Matt Smith, service industry coach. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it right now. Hit that subscribe button as I post videos on a regular basis on how to grow and scale your home service business. Today I want to talk about profitability on the first job and how so many of you are so focused on being extremely profitable the first time you service a customer and why it's going to prohibit you from hitting 7 figures in your home service business. At my company, we became extremely good at getting our customers to repeat, and that means that you have to communicate with a customer on a regular basis, send them appointment reminders, stay top of mind, and just make sure they don't forget who you are and the services that you offer. Once we dialed this in, the first job became really irrelevant. It was all about acquiring the customer. Now, let me be clear, it doesn't mean that we wanted to lose money on the first sale, but it meant that we were okay with breaking even or having a lower profitability margin on that first sale because we knew that if we can get that person in our system, they're going to repeat with us based on past experiences that we have had in the systems that we had built in our business. When you have existing systems in your business that get your customers to repeat on a regular basis, this allows you to pay more to acquire a customer than the competitor. And let me explain. If you know that you have a proven system to get the customer to repeat with you over and over, but your competitor doesn't, your competitor has to be extremely profitable on the front end because they have no idea if that customer is ever going to call them back. It might be a one and done job. Where you can afford to spend more on marketing to acquire more customers and beat out the competition because you know if you can acquire the customer and you can get them in your database, then your proven system is going to get that customer to repeat with you. Repeat business is where all the profit comes in. If you can acquire thousands of customers and put them into your system and get them to repeat with you, you are now getting repeat business from your customers with no additional marketing expense. This is the bread and butter. This is how you win in business, and this is how you scale. You acquire as many customers as possible, you break even or make a little bit of money on the first sale, you learn how to get that customer to repeat with you over and over the next couple of years, you will build up a customer list of thousands and thousands of repeat customers, and then at that point it's game over and you will begin to take over tons of market share. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you at all and got your brain thinking about how you need to be thinking about the first sale in your business, click that subscribe button right now as we'll be posting more videos just like this one in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next video.